trying to be in level with them, so I feel equal. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, I'm Georgia and I do slime videos, DIYs, vlogs, and much more. What are you doing? And for those of you who are new, this is Dylan, the drama queen that tries to... Today I'll be doing another collab with Dylan Kelly, and I will link his channel down below and at the end of the video. You've seen him multiple times if you're already been on my channel.
Family.
If you're part of the fam, and if not, subscribe, hit the like button, do all the rest, and hit the notification bell while you're there too.
Please, there's literally, she gets like more entertainment when you go one click.
Subscribe to the cameraman, Stitch Fam. Okay, bye.
Action.
So, you're here for the mega micro FLOAM slime. And
Microphone.
not microphone, I said micro FLOAM. And these are the beads. I got this, if you're wondering, from a neck pillow. The cheapest one I've found is at Daiso for $5.80. They're usually like $7 to $12, probably more at other shops, but I recommend getting it at Daiso. I said it wrong the first time. It's Daiso, apparently.
Imagine if I pop this, then it just went everywhere.
Chloe did pop it. That's why it's in 2 different bags.
I didn't pop it. It was Riley. He tried to pull it off me.
Anyway, so yeah, let's get on to the mega slime.
Microphone.
Let's get on to the slime video.
Microphone.
To the slime video. Let's go this way today.
Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Slime video.
I forgot what I was doing. It starts this way and then goes the other. So point that way, and then swish around that way. Let's get on to the slime video.
So what you will need for this video:
a bowl to mix in,
spatula,
white glue or clear glue, some borax activator. This is about a litre bottle, 1.5, but I'm guessing like that's more of just over a litre. Some microfoam beads,
all of it together.
So yeah, that's all you'll be needing. So now what you're going to do, but we're using both because this is all we got, and we want to make a large one for you guys. Just forget about that one, Dylan.
Yeah, okay.
And then you can pour probably up to that line, like visitelmas.com. And just pour that in so it's like even Steven. Oh, stop.
It's so cool, it's like marble. That's like a better lighting for you guys.
And then we'll add the activator. We won't activate it as much because we want it to be sticky in order for the beads to stick. In the video, it's like, I have to restart my potatoes. Watch out.
Oh my god.
Oh no. Look at all those chickens. No! The beads are gone. Okay, yeah, turn the fan off. Oh my god. Might be a bit cringe because it's sticking to me, but this reminds me of Snoop Slimes, how she does her mega micro FLOAMs. Ready? Okay,
Doctor.
You know, like the little tiny.
Ah!
Just send a yarn. All four of our hands can. All four. All two. Both of our hands as four. It's like, yeah, we have four. Oh, what the heck? Where'd that come from? Thank you so much. This is the final result of the FLOAM. It's really moldable, as you can tell. It's really light too. So this turned out to be a success. Booyah!
What?
So yeah, this is like probably the biggest FLOAM slime I've ever made compared to my pink flame. What are you doing? You're like. So if you liked it, make sure you give this video a big slimy thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell so you don't miss a video. Also, go show him some love, subscribe to his channel, like his videos because they're pretty cool. He does, what do you do? Tell him what you do, Dawn.
I do funny skits. Well, I do skits.
He does skit videos and he has done collabs with me too, so you go
And
check
I
him out.
also do short films part time.
So, I'll link his channel in the description and at the end of the video.
I also do montages.
And as always, we'll see you next time. Bye.